Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to invisible username or server name on Discord. So let's dive in. Now, first of all, open Discord. Now here you can see this my username. To invisible this name, follow these methods. Now near username, you can see setting icon. Click on it. Then under my account, you can see your profile info. Now click on the edit user profile. Now here you can see your username. Erase it and enter dot or comma and click on Save Changes. It may take few seconds to change. After this, go back and you can see my username is removed. Now let's invisible the server name. Now right-click on the server. Then select Server Setting. Then under Overview, you found Server Name. Now erase this and enter comma or dot and click on Save Changes. Now it is asking must be between 2 and 100 in length. Now enter a second comma or dot and click on Save Changes. Now, if your server contains an image and you want to remove it, then click on Upload Image. Then a window will appear. You can browse and apply that image. If you want to remove image, you found Remove option under Image. Click on it. An image will removed. Now go back to the main screen and you can see server name is invisible. Now let's send hi message. As you can see, my message did not have any type of identification. Now you have learned how to invisible username or server name in Discord. If you found this video helpful, so give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.